Hello, my name is Nick Quinn.
And I'm Sam Vernier.
And I'm Connor Woods. We are the market analyst team at howtotrade.com, and together we are going to explain everything you need to know about trading the BAT chart pattern. So let's get started.
The BAT pattern is a 5-point harmonic chart pattern discovered by Scott Carney in 2001. It's one of the 4 most common and popular harmonic chart patterns. It's also considered to be highly accurate. However, like most of the harmonic series, it's most powerful when you connect it together with Fibonacci ratios. It acts as an indication of trend reversal. Like most harmonic chart patterns, it has 5 turning points and 4 legs. So let's take a look at exactly what we need to see in the price action to identify it properly. Now, as harmonic chart patterns go, the BAT structure is one of the more complicated ones, is one of the more advanced patterns that we have, and we're looking to find 5 clear turning points, 4 legs within that, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's the way that they're constructed from a Fibonacci point of view that gives its name and gives its structure. First of all, once we've had this initial impulse move from X to A, we are looking to define point B, and we do that by looking for a retracement back down the XA leg of no more than 38.2% to around about 50%. It has to sit within those particular Fibonacci areas to actually validate it as a point B. We then look to define point C, which is a move back up the AB leg, and we are looking for a retrace of A to B, which comes in at around about 88.6 to 38.2. It has to sit within that area there to validate it as a point D. We then use 2 Fibonacci measurements to get that point D. And the first one is an overall retrace of X to A, and that has to come in at around about 88.6. And then the second one is an extended move of this particular leg here, the A to B leg. We extend the Fibonacci's down across that swing, and that gives us these 2 measurements here. It has to sit within 161.8 to 261.8. If that is the case, and all of those combinations of things line up, that gives us a very clear point D, and then you'll be looking to trade that to the upside. We also need to have the point D always must be, to validate it as a BAT structure, it has to be above that point X, that initial start point. It's certainly one of the more complicated ones, but pretty robust if you're able to identify it properly. But that is what we're looking for in the price action.
Okay, so let's have a look at how we can trade this BAT candlestick pattern. Now, as always, it requires you to understand all the factors that were explained before. And when we draw the BAT pattern on there, which we're going to use the XABCD tool that we can use on either MT4 or TradingView, the important steps then are finding that entry level with the confirmation with a Fibonacci or RSI, and then looking at setting a sensible stop loss and some targets along the way. Now, let's get our drawings on the chart here. You can see that BAT formation has been formed nicely here. Let's say, for example, we wanted to enter at the 78.6% around that point D. We've got the RSI across over here. We can target point B and point C along the way. Now, if we set that long position up with a stop loss, always that stop loss placement is just below where that point X is. So just below here. And you can see that from there, we managed to yield, basically a 1.5 to 1, nearly 2 to 1 risk reward trade just from that entry there. We could have held on, and had a look to see if we can target point C, point B and point C along the way, or I'll take 1 and take 2, take profits. But that's how we would use this BAT candlestick pattern to really trade the markets.
Here are the key pros and cons for the BAT harmonic pattern. First, the pros. It is an accurate chart pattern. Also, the BAT pattern provides clear levels for stop loss and take profit targets. It gives us a specific way into and out of the market. Also, the BAT harmonic pattern often provides excellent risk versus reward ratios. This makes it a highly lucrative pattern to be trading in the live market. And lastly, the BAT harmonic works well for short-term and long-term traders alike. Now on the con side. The BAT harmonic pattern is not ideal for beginner traders. It takes experience and education to be able to spot the BAT harmonic in real time in the live market. And lastly, the automatic drawing feature is not available on all trading platforms. Automatic drawing features are often used to spot the BAT harmonic in real time. Sometimes the platform does not offer this functionality. Be sure that yours does before trading the BAT harmonic pattern. Now, let's review some of the key takeaways from the bat harmonic pattern. Number one, the bat is a harmonic reversal pattern that relies on specific Fibonacci ratios for construction. Number two, the bat pattern has 5 unique points and 4 distinct price swings. Number three, when trading the harmonic bat pattern, traders enter the market at point D. Number four, the stop loss is placed below or above for the bearish bat pattern, point X, and take profit at point A. Now, if you want to learn more about the harmonic bat pattern, be sure to check out the How to Trade Trading Academy inside our trading room. There, you'll find a longer form tutorial where we'll show you how to fit bat patterns into your own trading methodology. We'll then demonstrate how to take that plan and trade it against real market price action. You'll have everything you need to gain valuable market experience, and once you're ready, feel free to join our How to Trade Funded Trader program.